In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reference data from one sheet to another in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a simple way to keep information in sync across tabs in the same spreadsheet. It's perfect for dashboards, summaries, or whenever you want to display the same value in multiple places without copying and pasting. Start by opening your Google Sheet on your desktop. Make sure you're looking at the correct file and take a moment to notice the sheet tabs along the bottom. Each tab has a name, like Sheet 1, Summary, or any custom name you've given it. You'll need the exact name of the sheet that contains the data you want to reference. Next, click the cell where you want the data to appear. This is your destination cell, the place that will display whatever is stored in the original location. Pick a spot that won't interfere with your existing layout. Now, type a simple formula. Sheet 1, A1. Replace Sheet 1 with the actual name of the source sheet and A1 with the specific cell you want to pull from. The equal sign tells Google Sheets you're entering a formula. The sheet name points to the tab, and the exclamation mark separates the sheet name from the cell address. If your sheet name has spaces or special characters, wrap it in single quotes, like EXE January sales, B2. You can also reference a larger range, such as Sheet 1 A1 C10, and it will spill into the destination area if space allows. If you plan to copy the formula across multiple cells but want to keep the reference fixed, use $ to lock it, like Sheet 1 A1. Press Enter. You should immediately see the value from the source cell appear. If you see an error, double-check the sheet name and the cell address. A ref. Error often means the reference is invalid or the sheet name is misspelled. You can review and edit the formula in the formula bar at the top. From here on, the data will update automatically whenever the source cell changes. That means if someone updates A1 on the original sheet, your destination cell mirrors the new value without any extra work. It's a one-way link. Change the source to affect the destination, not the other way around. If you later rename a sheet, Google Sheets typically updates references for you, but if something breaks, just adjust the sheet name in the formula. That's all you need to keep data consistent across sheets with a single, reliable formula.